Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use if statements in Python. So let's get started. I am going to be using the IDLE for Python IDE, several names to call it. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to make some variables. If you don't know what variables are, I have a video on that, and I put a card in the right hand corner of the screen so you can watch that video. So we're just going to make x equal to 5, and we're going to make a variable z is equal to, let's say, 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to do if x is less than, we're using the less than sign, not actually less than z, then we're going to print we're going to do x is less than z, and then we're going to close everything. Normally in Visual Studio Code, everything is super nice, so as you can see, x is 5 and z is 8, so we're going to expect this to be true. So I'm just going to do F5, and I'm going to have to save this. So I'm just going to save this as to the desktop and call it YouTube. Okay, and then when we run it, x is less than 4 because that is true. Now if we flip it around and we say x is greater than z and we run this, it's going to print out nothing because x is not greater than z. But if we changed it to a 10 and then we run it, by running it without going to here and going to here, you just do F5 and then enter to save it, and then you can see that x is less than z. So then you can also, let's make this 5 again, so we can do equal to, I think we can do equal to, I'm not 100% sure. It's probably going to give us an error. Nope. Okay, let's swap it around just to make sure. Okay, so it's less than z, so it's not equal to. But if we did do it 8, let's see if both of them are the same. It's going to do the same thing because it is less than or equal to. You can also do equals, but you can't do this. You have to do equal, because up here, if you notice, that Python would be thinking that you're assigning it to a variable. So you have to do equals, otherwise Python's going to be like if x equals z, because it's going to think that you're assigning it to a variable, and it's not going to work. So if x is equal to, then we'll just change this to equal to z. And when we matter of fact, we run this, and it is true because x is equal to z. So you can do a lot of different things with if statements. They're actually super simple and they're super efficient, and so you can also do stuff like if we make a y is equal to 10 and we make an a is equal to 9, a is equal to 9. Okay, so we can do some really crazy stuff with it. So we can do if x is less than 10, let's make it is greater than, no, let's make this like 15 or something. Okay, so we can do if x is less than, no, that's greater than, less than a, and greater than, no, greater than, dang it. Okay, greater than, let's see, if x is less than a and is greater than, well, this is going to be false, but we can change this to a 5 just to make that true. And y, so we do y, we do print x is greater than a and greater than y, than a, okay, no, less than, I'm sorry, less than y and no, a and greater than x. Very confusing. It gets very confusing. And so if we run this, it's going to print out x is less than a and greater than x. So you can do some really big and hairy numbers with this. So anyway, I'm pretty sure that covers it. Our next video will be about the else statement, which is adding on to the if statement. So if you did like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.